Now, when it comes to project management, we have a couple rules. The rule they have in the text called the 100% rule basically says you need to plan 100% of all tasks, and that means the internal, external, and interim tasks. Now, that's a real difficult rule to adhere to. Even with some of the best project planning templates out there for new systems, every large scale project is different. And so the 100% rule may be tough to achieve. They also have another rule called the 15-15 rule, and this one states that if a project is more than 15% over budget or 15% off schedule, then it's probably likely never going to achieve the returns that it's targeted for and won't be considered a success. Now, these are certainly good rules. One of the rules we had and used in the methodology I grew up with, I guess, we had our own 15% rule, and generally it's kind of related to that 100% rule. We kind of recognized it's real difficult to identify 100% of the tasks. There's going to be some things that sneak in or that you find out that are needed that you didn't think of ahead of time. So we had a 15% contingency rule, and we added 15% contingency after we thought we had thought of everything, to allow for those little things that sneak in and try and make the scope creep. So it gives you a little bit of wiggle room there. And then we had another 15% rule that said, okay, for all of the detailed tasks that we have, once we have scoped those all out, then we add 15% for management, project management. So our 15-15 rule basically ended up adding two 15% to our estimates to allow us to kind of achieve that 100% rule and also give us some latitude to help achieve project success. So there are a number of ways that you can address risk in projects, and these are two that are listed in the textbook. We had a different approach that I just described that worked for us.